For me, Grundfos Energy Check is reduce operating costs and increase pump efficiency. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Grundfos identifies opportunities for savings based on nameplate data, meaning that I won't have to stop production, not even for a minute. 2. After crunching the numbers, Grundfos presents the recommendations to me. 3. I replace the inefficient pumps with new Grundfos pumps, with the same specifications, but lower energy consumption and reduced CO2 emissions. Actually, I can spare the environment CO2 emissions equal to that of 3 cars per year just by replacing one of my old pumps. Don't waste your energy. Get a Grundfos Energy Check.